So remember when I said I had the first communication that I thought old Mohican was trying to communicate with me? Well, I'm sitting right back in that exact same spot. And I think it was this guy, because he's so coming in close right now. Look at him. He's coming right at me. You can see that, right? I'm in the exact same spot. And so maybe this is the spot that he thinks he can communicate with me. Which is fine by me, because I'm done with this. I want to start meeting these guys. Somehow. But he's coming right at me. Look at this shit. This guy is fucking coming right at me. Can you guys tell? And that's not the camera. He's zigzagging on the camera like the other guys do. That's him moving. I can see him moving. He's coming right at me. So I'm kind of like, got my left eye. I'm glancing up at him. And I'm also glancing at the camera, which is in front of my face. So we'll see what happens here, man. He's like so low right now. And it's just getting lower. Can you guys see that? Can you tell? I'm not going to be able to tell until I go inside and review this. But I can tell with my eyes, not looking through the camera, that he's fucking coming right at me. Yeah, man. Right at me. And you see what I'm saying about... Oh, now you can see. You should be able to see him pretty good now. I don't even have the camera zoomed in. Let me zoom in real quick. Okay, that's all the way zoomed in. So, yeah, he's coming fucking right at me. I don't know why he keeps going to the right of the fucking camera. And I just go all the way over here like this. He's still coming closer. Wow. He's like so low right now. This is no joke. This whole thing, my whole fucking, everything I put up is no joke. But I don't know. I think it's kind of funny. It's like, why the fuck are they fucking with me? So I zoomed all the way in to try to see if I could see. Like, look, there's even a UFO blinking behind him. He's still coming in. Jesus. Now, I'm going to take the camera off him for a second and show you what other ones are around it. There's a guy right there. See him blinking for a second. He went invisible. There's a guy right here. And the other ones are behind. I can't get to him, but look. This is the guy that's coming closer. Yeah. Definitely, like, basically right up on me right now. I wonder what his name is. My name's Bill. What's yours? I'll just try to talk to him. He's like so fucking low right now. So what should I do? Unreal. Maybe he likes my cigarette. God damn, it's cold as fuck out here. It's gotta be like in the 50s. Wild how close this fucking guy is. Do you see that other UFO blinking in the background? They're all over the place. I can't even keep track of them all anymore. Before it was just like one or two. And then this guy's like basically zooming in on me. He's still coming. I can definitely tell he's coming closer. This is no hallucination or nothing like that. So anyways, yeah, I was just reading something about saying how, oh wow, there's just some guy that moved it behind this guy. Apparently, Massachusetts has always been a hotbed for UFOs. That's the, oh man, hold on a second, I can't even talk, I'm trying to stay focused, my arm starts hurting so bad, holding the camera. I'm holding the camera up, like in front of my face. See, have you guys seen how big the light has gotten? You see how his light isn't as strong as all the others. But, this is pretty wild. I don't even know what to say to him. I don't want to sound stupid talking to a freaking UFO on camera. I feel stupid enough, like if somebody's in the bushes, somebody overhears me, they think I'm talking to myself. But yeah, he's gotten like twice the fucking size, hasn't he? And like I said, that's him moving, that's not, well, it's me too. Let me hold it with two hands. See if I can stabilize it a little bit. He's like coming at me, just slowly. I told him my name, so he should tell me his name, right? He's like fucking, like as high as this small little tree to my left, which isn't that fucking high up. So I just wonder, how long have you guys been here for? Not specifically here, but just around Earth. I take it you're not from around here, because the U.S. government wouldn't be spending all this money to hover around the lake. And I hear airplanes outside all night long, you guys. That's you. I'm talking to you guys now. All day long, I mean, when I'm here. Wow, he's still coming in closer. Fucking... I wonder how close he's gonna get. You see how his lights are like, you can distinguish how many different lights there are now? Yeah, he's at treetop level of this tree that's right next to me. You see how his light has gone from small to that? My hair is like feeling like I'm like tingling right now. You think it's him? Trying to hold the camera as still as possible. Yeah, he's fucking right up on me now. What should I say? I don't know what to say. I already told him my name. Asked him how long he's been here. Do you guys like it here? Like what you've seen so far? But you guys have definitely seen him get from that other size to this size, right? You can tell. Yeah, I mean, if you can't tell the difference between the way he was then and the way he is now, I'm freezing my ass off. Got shorts on. At least I put on a sweatshirt. You think if I have a hoodie, you think if I put the hood over my head, that's gonna scare him? See the other UFO behind him? I think that's another UFO, not the government. Because I haven't really recorded it, but when I was outside earlier this evening, I saw like two of them. They're right next to each other. Yeah, he's getting closer. Fuck it. I'm just gonna sit here and try to be nice. Yeah, my hair's like tingling now. I wonder if he's like space beaming me with his space beam. What if he speaks English? Not that fucking sound that I played for you guys that just popped up out of on my phone out of nowhere in the middle of all my videos. Yeah, he's pretty much up in my shit now. I don't know if he's coming closer or if he's just hovering now. But he must know by now that I'm just watching. I'm not any kind of threat or anything. I hope he's not a threat. I don't think they are. If they were, I think that they would have done something to me a long time ago. Or who knows, maybe he's trying to seduce me to like go somewhere with him or something. Now he's like super big, isn't he? See, he doesn't just have one light. It's like, I can tell from looking at it. It's just a bunch of smaller ones. You think he's like in charge of all these other UFOs out here? I think he's just hovering right there. This is the exact same spot where I was. I already said that. But, I wonder if he thinks this is like a meeting place. I'm sitting on a table, on the edge of a table. The lake's like about 10 feet from me. The water's pretty low. It didn't rain that much this summer. So, we've seen it a lot more. Yeah, I think he's just hovering there now. I think he's as close as he wants to get. Well, I don't know, man. Maybe he is getting closer. Maybe he is still coming. I gotta just wave at him. Sorry, the camera's gonna move. Look how fucking big he is on camera now. Oh my god, my shoulder is gonna fall off. But this is just too intense. Phew. I'm holding the phone with my left hand now, so I think every time I move that makes him a little nervous. He looks pretty fucking big though now, doesn't he? He's still coming. You see the other UFO blinking in the background on the left hand corner? Yeah, I think he's just hovering now.